Good morning, beautiful people. Yeah, second attempt. My phone was out of battery. Um, yes, I'm studying the landscape of the heart, and I just want to share a little bit about it. Since I'm so fascinating, what getting to know our hearts can do for us. Um, our heart seems to have the biggest electromagnetic field of all our organs. And if people meditate a lot, we can measure the state of our hearts. Uh, like we can already measure like 3 meters away. So it really does matter how the state of our heart is um, to the world. Other people will feel it, and they will be affected by it. So it's important how our heart is. So I'm curious, how is your heart today? And there's something precious in tapping our heart, feeling our heart with our hands. It's like maybe you know that feeling, like holding your heart in your hands, and we can feel consciously or not, like the heartbeat telling us that we're alive and that we're feeling, and that it matters how we feel. Like they have traditions where you gently tap your heart to let it know that you're there with it. And there's something else fascinating about our heart, and it's that we connect feelings to the landscape of our heart. And our feelings tell us a lot about where we stand in life. And we sometimes confuse that it tells us how to act, and I don't think that's true. I think it tells us how we are with what's happening, with what's happening in our lives, in the world, in anything. And if we get to know our hearts and we take time to feel it, we know how we are. And there's another process about being with our hearts and holding it for a little while in our attention, in our love, and figuring out what we want to act in the world from where we are. And I know movement and dancing is a perfect way, at least in my experience, to really get to know our hearts. Because sometimes we come to a top layer. Some people of us have the tendency to get angry first and then feel our sadness. And other people find it really hard to get angry, and they feel our sadness almost straight away. So we need to go a little bit lower, deeper in where we are to actually know what we feel. And there's another fascinating thing about moving with what's going on. Also for people that don't know how they feel. There are many of us, they don't know. And then going to physical experience is a beautiful way of connecting to feeling, like touch. If we touch ourselves, yeah, if you look, maybe you want to do. Screens can get us away from this embodied, beautiful thing that we are, that we have, that we are. So if we touch ourselves, we feel like there's something to start with feeling. So I'm curious how your heart is doing, and if you want to share with me, it would be wonderful to hear or to read. And my heart is warm right now and touched and full of the experience of exploring the heart a little bit more. And I wish you a beautiful day with your heart and with the hearts of the people around us, since that's an important thing. We're human with each other, and that's what really matters in life, the way I look at it. So, wish you a beautiful day, and wherever you are, and I hope the sun is shining where you are. It's not here. So it warms my heart if the sun shines. I can feel that when it's spring around here. So sending you love, and hope you dance and feel and are present with your own beautiful heart and heartbeat. Bye-bye.